So this is the second wash of this filter, and as you can see there's a lot of oil coming out of that filter, and what that does is it stops air getting into your mower, and then your mower will start shaking, and then your bolts will get loose, it'll start coughing. So you know, you can't have an oily filter for a mower. You need to replace it or wash it. If you've got a paper filter, sometimes you can wash that, depending on what sort you've got. I've got a couple of videos on that. Look at all that oil that's come out of the filter. Oil will always go into the filter on a 4-stroke mower, and that is because if you're mowing on uneven surfaces and you tilt, or you're mowing a gutter and you tilt the mower on the side, oil can leak into your filter, and that's why it's important that you check it all the time. But one of the main problems is when you're putting oil into your 4-stroke mower. There's a line on it that's the full line. Never ever go above that line. If you go above that line and your mower tilts on uneven surfaces, or when you're mowing the side of a gutter, the extra oil will leak onto your filter. So never ever go above that line. A mower only takes 10 ml of oil at a time. Check your dipstick. If it's not full, add another 10 ml. 10 ml is only a little bit of oil. You can use the gauge of a medicine cup. Thanks, Pete. So Pete's going to keep washing the filter. So it'll cost about $1 worth of petrol, 50 cents worth of petrol to wash your filter. So it's no big deal. Obviously, if you've got a 2-stroke mower where you mix your fuel and your oil together, you can't wash your filter in that petrol. It has to be straight petrol. There it goes, wringing it out. And then what you do is you get a rag, you put your filter in the rag. Give it a good squeeze. Yep, and as you can see the oil's coming out and the petrol. So the filter's drying out now. Yep, good. So Pete's now cleaning the plastic area where the filter goes. Now it's good to clean this area as well, because you don't want to get your filter covered in oil again, and you don't want to stop air getting into the mower, because that's it. Air getting in is a very important part of your mower operating correctly and not choking itself. This is a particularly dirty one, and this is why we've decided to video it. Have a mower brush. One big thing that we've noticed is people think that they have to continually add oil to their mower. Continually adding oil to your mower ends up with mower oil mixed in with your filter. Don't continually add oil every 3 or 4 mows. Sometimes you don't have to add oil for 2 or 3 years. But other times you have to add oil every 3 or 4 mows, depending on how much mowing you do. But people get oil happy and keep adding oil without even recognising that they're over the line full mark of their dipstick. Clean underneath it. So as you can see, this motor has had so much oil from tipping it, probably looking at the blades. It's been tipped the wrong way or tipped too far. So Pete's just putting petrol on it. Watch out when you're washing around those springs. You don't want them coming off. And cover on top. Beautiful. So that's fine now. It's a good filter. Good enough to use for another few years. Longer if it's kept out of the rain. And it goes on there like that.